First, how to fix hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix account restricted and issue in SoFi Invest on iPhone. First, check your email for notification. SoFi usually sends you emails explaining why your account was restricted and what steps to take. Next, verify your identity. Go to the app and go to your account verification and complete any pending KYC steps like uploading ID or confirming personal info. Next, ensure all linked bank accounts are verified. Unverified or outdated bank accounts can trigger restrictions. Privacy tip: only provide personal and banking info in the official SoFi app or sofi.com. Quick fix: if restriction proceeds, contact SoFi support directly with your account details for manual review. Avoid trying multiple logins as this may worsen restrictions. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.